A 15-year-old girl is safe after spending more than 20 minutes in the icy waters of the ocean off Saanich. The girl is a patient at Ledger House, the Vancouver Island Health Authority's youth mental health facility. Saanich police say the girl was out for a walk with a staff member this afternoon when she took off without warning and plunged into the water alone. First responders rushed to the scene, but as CTV's Andrew Johnson reports, it was two nearby boaters who made the rescue just in time.
First responders rushed to the beach off the Queen Alexandra Centre for Children's Health just before 2 this afternoon after a report of a girl in the water in distress.
The 15-year-old who was a resident at the Ledger House, or was a patient at the Ledger House at the time, was out for a walk with a staff member. Without warning, the female took off from the staff member and ran into the water, and we believe that she may have done so as an attempt to harm herself.
Rescue teams from Saanich Police, Victoria Police and the Saanich Fire Department were on their way when a private vessel in the area heard the call and found the girl first, but Saanich PD says she resisted rescue.
It's my understanding that there were two private boat owners that assisted. There was a bit of a struggle when the first boat owner was trying to pull her into the boat and required assistance of a second boat.
Witnesses watched as the shivering teen was pulled from the water after 21 minutes and transferred to an ambulance.
She was with a lot of blankets
and sheets. Yeah.
It is very cold water. Yeah. For anybody that's in a water such as this for over 15 minutes, we would expect that they would likely be suffering from hypothermia. So I would suspect that that is likely the case in this circumstance.
The Vancouver Island Health Authority says the patient has now been medically cleared to return to Ledger House, which provides acute inpatient hospital-based psychiatric services for children and youth. In December 2010, a 16-year-old girl walked away from the facility and committed suicide nearby. After an internal review in that case, Saanich police changed the way they respond to reports of missing teens. A coroner's inquest was later held and made 23 recommendations to 5 organizations, including the Vancouver Island Health Authority and Ledger House specifically. VHA says patients at Ledger House are assessed daily. Some have access to the grounds alone. Others may require supervision. Andrew Johnson, CTV News, Saanich.